Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS Small Business and ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to ESS BizBrief. Thank you for your support of ESS BizTools and ESS BizGrants. Today I want to talk to you about the Business Advisory Services introduction. Within the product packages, there is a 13-module section that will assist you to get ready to be able to fully use and gain some real benefits out of the ESS BizTools products. Our suggestion is that you utilise this material to train your team, to acquaint them with this journey that they're going to be on in offering a broader range of professional services beyond taxation. We suggest that you appoint a facilitator, a partner or a manager who will be responsible for organising the training. 1 hour per week for 3 months will enable you to work through all 13 modules. So let's have a quick look at the modules, or some of them. Introduction to Business Advisory Services features surveys from the partners of the firm and also some client survey feedback. Offering business advisory service. The key feature is the balanced scorecard, which we suggest all members of your team complete. Team training is a special module, and this considers the team member survey and introduces the concept that your firm should be appointing champions for the individual product packages that you are going to deliver, and also that you appoint champions for the top 8 industries that your clients come from, because that will probably account for 80% of your income from business clients. Leadership is the next module, and we have some leadership articles there to equip the accountants and marketing people, if you have them, who are going to be involved in the business advisory services delivery in a range of matters relative to leadership. Marketing strategies will encourage the team to start identifying the clients that individual product packages could be offered to, and also contain some marketing hints. Review of products and services is a big one, because this is where the team is going to be asked to start seriously examining the 23 product packages that are currently within ESS BizTools, and we're adding 3 or 4 new ones every 12 months, to decide which ones are going to be delivered to your clients. Our recommendation is you start with 4 to 6 product packages and add another product package every few months into your services. The SME needs analysis will enable you to undertake a full review of what your client might be looking for. The planning seminar is there to help you deliver a special seminar to a group of clients so they understand what business advisory services is all about. There is a module on sales, hence how you might sell this concept to your clients. And most importantly, there is then implementation. One-on-one meetings and submitting the proposals to your clients. Good luck with the introduction of business advisory services to your clients and to your team. If you have any question on any aspect of our material, please don't hesitate to contact us. And once again, thank you for your support of ESS BizTools and ESS BizGrants. Have a great day. Goodbye.